Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see side view in first angle and third angle. So in first angle we know front view is up, top view is down. And in third angle we know top view is up, front view is down. Now we don't have any idea where the side view will be, right? We know side view will be next to front view, but in this video I'll explain you how the side view will come and what is the difference in left hand side view and right hand side view in terms of placing. So this is vertical plane and horizontal plane. So all of you know about this X and Y first quadrant. So it is that only. This is intersection of HP and VP. And this is profile plane, side plane. Now we'll keep an object over here. And when observer will see from here, he can draw front view here. When he will see from the top, he will draw top view down. Now for side view, he will see from here, left side, that he will project on this profile plane. That will be left hand side view. Now this is observer is watching it like this, but when you see, you will see only front view, and top view will be just a horizontal plane, like from front you can see just a horizontal plane as a line and side plane as a line. What we need to do, we need to rotate. So when you draw, this is how it is. First quadrant, you rotate. So it becomes straight. This you rotate. So it will be like this. So this is front view, top view, and this is left hand side view. So this is how it will come. Front view, top view and left hand side view. See, front view, top view. Now this left hand side view, you see from left, but when you're drawing it, it will come on right. So this is how we draw front view, top view and left hand side view in first quadrant. And for right hand side view, observer will see from the right and he will project on this profile plane. So that will come on left side. So always remember in first quadrant, it is a vice versa. For side view, left hand side view goes on right hand side and right hand side view goes on left hand side. So this is first quadrant. Now for third quadrant, we know HPVP is like this. This is vertical plane and this is horizontal plane. See, this quadrant, third quadrant. So we'll keep an object over here. When you see from the front, it will be like this way. Top, it will be this way. This is front view. When you see from the top, top view will come here, and this is side view. This is profile plane or side plane. So when observer will see from the left, he will project on the left. So this is side view, left hand side view. Now when we can see only front view. Horizontal plane will appear as a line and side plane also will appear as a line. Then what we need to do? We need to rotate. This is two planes. You rotate horizontal plane. So front view will come down, top view will come up, and this side plane you rotate like this towards you. So this is side view, left hand side view. So when we draw, now I'm drawing a line, and I'm drawing front view down and top view up. Now this is XY, intersection of HP and VP. Now if you see in first quadrant I didn't draw XY, in third quadrant I am drawing XY. So let me tell you, it is optional. In orthographic it is optional. You can draw XY, and even if you don't want to draw XY, you can choose not to draw XY. So there is no compulsion in orthography. Now if there is an XY, I will draw 45 degree. I can draw it from here also, I can draw it from here also. See, from here if I'll draw, or from here I will draw, both will be right. So you should not get worried about it. So that's why I don't draw XY line in orthography. Now let's say if this is front view, this is top view, we take 45 degree from here and we draw left hand side view over here like this. So we can choose to draw directly from the front view box or from the XY line. Both are right. So this is left hand side view, which comes on the left side. So this is third quadrant. So I hope now everyone understood about the side view, where it will come. So in first angle it is a vice versa. In third quadrant, left hand side will be on left and right hand side will be on the right. Thank you.